Rice isn't just for jollof or fried rice. You can actually turn it into a smooth, light swallow that goes with any soup. And trust me, once you try it, you may forget about eba and fufu. Let me show you how to make rice swallow step by step. So first thing is my rice. The beautiful thing about rice swallow is that you can use any type of rice you have at home. Be it long grain rice, short grain rice, parboiled rice, or even local rice. They all work. So now let's prepare it. First, wash your rice very well. Washing remove dust, tiny stones and excess starch. You will notice the water looking cloudy at first. Keep washing until it runs clearer. This helps make your swallow smoother. Although there is a special kind of rice some people traditionally use for swallow, but honestly you don't have to stress about that. Whatever rice you have in your kitchen will give you a smooth, delicious swallow if you follow the right steps. After washing, cover the rice with clean water and soak it overnight. This softens the grains, making them easier to blend into a paste, okay? So don't worry if you notice a slight sour smell by morning. That's totally normal. We will fix that in the next step. Once your rice are soaked, drain the water and wash it again. This second wash removes any fermentation smell and gives your swallow a clean taste. Next, I took the soaked rice to a commercial grinder and blended it into a smooth paste. You can also use a strong blender at home. Just add a little clean water to help the blade smooth and blend until it is completely smooth. Now pour the blended rice paste into a clean pot and stir it well before putting it on the fire. This is important because you want to break down any hidden lumps before the heat sets them. Place the pot on low heat and stir continuously. As the heat works through, the paste will thicken and stretch, just like semo or amala. Keep stirring gently so it doesn't burn or form lumps. While it is cooking, let's talk about why rice swallow is special. It is lighter on the stomach than most swallows. It's smooth and easy to swallow even for children and older people. You only need rice and water, no extra flour. You can make it with whatever rice you have at home. The taste is neutral, so it pairs beautifully with any Nigerian soup. Once it starts coming together, add a splash of water on top. Cover the pot and allow it to steam on low heat for about 5 minutes. This steaming helps the swallow softer, smoother and fully cooked inside. After steaming, give it one final stir and it's ready. Once it's thick, stretchy and smooth, your rice swallow is ready. Wash your hands, mold it into balls and serve it with your favorite soup. And that's how you make rice swallow at home. Simple, smooth and so satisfying. Don't forget, you can use any type of rice you already have. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves cooking, and subscribe to Ese Can Cook for easy DIY recipes like this. See you in my next video. God bless you and bye.